Hello guys. Today, we are going to review 5 best VR headsets in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Moreover, this is going to be an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's jump to the details. Number 1. Our best pick is Meta Quest 2 Advanced All-in-One Virtual Reality Headset. The Meta Quest 2 is a cutting-edge virtual reality headset that offers a complete and immersive experience. With its advanced all-in-one design, users can dive right into their favorite virtual reality games, videos, and experiences without needing a separate computer or phone. The headset features a large field of view and high-resolution display that provides vivid and clear images, making it feel as though you are truly transported to another world. One of the standout features of the Meta Quest 2 is its built-in hand tracking technology. This allows you to use your hands as a controller, adding an extra layer of immersion to your virtual reality experience. The headset is also equipped with built-in speakers and a microphone for added convenience and ease of use. Another aspect that sets the Meta Quest 2 apart from other virtual reality headsets is its compact and lightweight design. This makes it easy to take on the go, giving you the ability to enjoy your favorite virtual reality content anywhere. Whether you're using it for gaming, entertainment, or even work, the Meta Quest 2 is a versatile and powerful virtual reality headset that provides an unparalleled experience. Overall, the Meta Quest 2 is a top-of-the-line virtual reality headset that offers advanced features and a premium experience. If you're looking for a high-quality virtual reality headset that offers a complete and immersive experience, the Meta Quest 2 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Our second best pick is Oculus Rift S PC-powered VR gaming headset. The Oculus Rift S PC-powered VR gaming headset is a top-notch virtual reality headset that offers an immersive gaming experience. The headset features a high-resolution display with a fast refresh rate, providing a clear and smooth image. The Oculus Insight tracking system accurately tracks the user's movements in real time, ensuring that the virtual world moves with the player. The headset also features a comfortable and adjustable design, making it easy to wear for extended periods of time. The Rift S also offers a wide range of compatibility with VR games and experiences, allowing users to enjoy a large library of content. The integration with the Oculus Store makes it easy to find and download new games and experiences. The included touch controllers provide an intuitive and immersive way to interact with the virtual world. In terms of setup, the Oculus Rift S is relatively simple to use and does not require any external sensors. The headset simply connects to a PC with a single cable and the software handles the rest. The integration with the PC also allows for easy access to other PC-based applications, making the Rift S a versatile and well-rounded VR headset. Overall, the Oculus Rift S is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality virtual reality experience. The combination of powerful hardware, immersive design, and a large library of content make it a must-have for VR enthusiasts and gamers alike. Number 3. Our third best pick is Oculus Go Standalone Virtual Reality Headset. The Oculus Go Standalone Virtual Reality Headset is a great option for those who want to enjoy the VR experience without needing a computer. This headset is completely self-contained and provides a smooth and immersive experience with its 2560 by 1440 resolution display and built-in audio. The headset is also very comfortable to wear, even for extended periods of time, thanks to its adjustable straps and lightweight design. The controller is intuitive and makes it easy to navigate in virtual reality. In terms of content, the Oculus Go has a wide range of VR games and apps available in its store, from action-packed games to immersive experiences. The store also includes a variety of educational and informative apps, making this headset a great option for both entertainment and learning. One of the most significant benefits of the Oculus Go is its ease of use. The headset doesn't require any setup or installation and is ready to use right out of the box. The battery life is also impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. In conclusion, the Oculus Go standalone virtual reality headset is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an accessible and convenient VR experience. With its comfortable design, wide range of content, and ease of use, it is a great option for VR beginners and experienced users alike. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Oculus Quest All-in-One VR Gaming Headset. The Oculus Quest All-in-One VR Gaming Headset is a great product for anyone looking to get into virtual reality gaming. This headset is incredibly easy to use, and it doesn't require a separate PC or console to work. Instead, all of the hardware you need to play VR games is built into the headset itself. One of the best things about the Oculus Quest is its high-quality display. The screen is sharp and clear, and the colors are vibrant and eye-catching. This makes for an incredibly immersive gaming experience, as you feel like you are truly inside the game world. Another great feature of the Oculus Quest is its advanced motion tracking system. The headset has sensors that track the movements of your head and hands, allowing you to interact with the VR environment in a natural and intuitive way. This level of immersion is unmatched by any other VR headset on the market. Overall, the Oculus Quest All-in-One VR Gaming Headset is an excellent product for anyone who wants to get into VR gaming. It is well designed, easy to use, and offers a truly immersive experience. Whether you are a casual gamer or a serious VR enthusiast, this headset is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is HTC Vive Pro I Virtual Reality System. The HTC Vive Pro I Virtual Reality System is a high-end VR headset designed for the most immersive and advanced VR experience. With integrated eye tracking technology, the headset allows for precise, intuitive navigation within VR environments. The dual AMOLED displays provide clear and crisp visuals, with a resolution of 2880 by 1600. The VR headset is designed with comfort in mind, with a comfortable head strap and adjustable IPD for a customized fit. The built-in audio system is also impressive, providing high-quality sound for a fully immersive experience. One of the standout features of the HTC Vive Pro I is its ability to track the user's eye movements, allowing for a more natural and intuitive way to interact within VR environments. The headset is also equipped with front-facing cameras that can track the user's movements, ensuring that their VR experience is as accurate and responsive as possible. The VR headset is compatible with a wide range of VR content, including games, educational and training applications, and more. Overall, the HTC Vive Pro I is a top-of-the-line VR headset that is ideal for those who want the most advanced and immersive VR experience. It is a great choice for professionals, gamers, and anyone who wants to experience the latest and greatest in VR technology. However, it is a more expensive option compared to other VR headsets and may not be suitable for those who are looking for a more budget-friendly option. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for today. Feel free to share your feedback.